What is up, fellow Pyro Fanatics? It's Daddy28 here, and today I'm going to show you guys a demo video of a 500-gram cake called Fishtails by Raccoon Fireworks. It's a 16-shot cake, and the performance descriptions on the top left over here. We got, it's an orange cake, crackling mines to orange jellyfish, orange palm with white strobing, orange peony with white strobing. And the reason why it's making a big fuss about the orange color, obviously, is because orange is a very difficult color to produce in fireworks in general. It's just not very easy to produce that type of color. But there are some companies out there that do it right. So we'll see if Raccoon actually produces the orange color very well in this cake. All right, so I'll see you guys at the launch site, and let's see how this cake performs. Okay, we got Fishtails by Raccoon. Oh, that's nice. Fishtails. Nice.